This is a Ford Roadless 115. It starts on the button. 1960, 1960s, 64, something like that. It's a working tractor. Well, like all working tractors, they need to work. Very clean. The only thing missing is the top. Somebody pinched it. But as you can see, the cab is pretty clean. Radiator's great condition. Unusual to find one working. Here we are at Clitheroe Car Boot Sale. Lots of interesting stalls, antique collection, garden work, plants. I'm here today. I've had a really good day. Met a lot of interesting people. Some quite dirty stuff, which is what it's all about. Having an untidy garden. Get yourself down next week. Every Sunday. Stall prices, you can phone them up. Clitheroe Car Boot Sale. Have a great day. Met a lot of Clitheroe Car Boot Sale. Lots of interesting stalls, antique collection, garden work, plants. I'm here today. I've had a really good day. Met a lot of interesting people and some quite a bit of stuff, which is what it's all about. Massive plant collection, all fresh plants, so you have no excuse to having an untidy garden. So get yourself down next week, every Sunday. Stall prices, you can phone them up. Clitheroe Car Boot Sale. Have a great day. Met a lot of people. Here we are at Clitheroe Car Boot Sale. Lots of interesting stalls, antique collection, garden work, plants. I'm here today. I've had a really good day. Met a lot of interesting people and some quite a bit of stuff, which is what it's all about. collection, all fresh plants. So you have no excuse to have it a tidy garden. Get yourself down next week. Every Sunday, stall prices.